Okie dokie, I am back again. I literally just finished recording the week 1 of Miner Wars for GoMining, and when I was finishing it up, I noticed a little pop-up occurred saying that, you know, a payment did not go through for my miner. But guess what? We just verified it. Look at that. We just verified it. We fully own this bitch now. We fully own this bitch. And I'm going to be putting it on the blockchain so it can be put onto my Trezor wallet, so it is mine. It's mine. But you know what the good part is? Because I just made a big-ass payment on this bitch. Let's see. Can I even check? Can I even check it? Oh, I can't go back to the screen I was at. Oh well, it was a big ass payment of like $10,622 US. Gonna come on over here, come on over to the raffles and contests. We're gonna scroll on down and we're gonna click on this. Look at that. I've spent $10,622.80 out of $20. How many tickets do you guys think I'm? Oh wait, look, the highest participant. He's only at 9,000, and he's got a 94% chance to win. Well, make way. We got 531 tickets. Ooh, let's refresh this. Let's refresh this bitch. Let me just close this tab. We're gonna refresh this. Come on. It doesn't want to show me. It doesn't want to show. It doesn't want to make everyone jealous. Nope, that's the wrong one. That's the wrong one. Are you serious? It doesn't want to update this yet at the moment? Come on. Why is it doing this to me? Show me that I'm number 1. Show me that I'm number 1. Come on. Show me that I'm number 1. I know I'm number 1. And everyone needs to know that I'm number 1. Oh well, it's not showing it. But you know what? Considering this guy has a 94%, call it 95% chance to win, and he's only spent $9,143, well, I should probably have like a 96, maybe 97% chance to win one of these beautiful GoBoxes. Either one of the 3 diamond GoBoxes, one of the 5 platinum GoBoxes, or one of the 10 gold GoBoxes. I guess we'll see in 6 days, won't we? Won't we? Alright guys, well, that was just, you know, the quick little video just showing that we fully paid this off now. We finally fully own all my Terahash, and soon I am going to make another video on how to mint your NFT miner. I've already made 2, but hell, why not make a 3rd one just for the new folks? Just for the new folks. So we will see you guys soon. Take care. Adios. I love you. God bless. And remember, our referral link will be down in the description below if you want to earn an extra 5% Terahash on your first miner purchase. For as little as $14.99, you can get started with 1 Terahash. Again, do your own research before investing, or if you do invest, know what you're doing. Take care, guys. Love you. Kisses. Mwah.
My wallet, cash them out on a later date. Grateful for the one that showed me love. I appreciate each and every one of you. Inspire me.